Hi all. As I explained about overthinking in the previous video, here I am to explain you about anger. As I said in the previous video, one of the result of overthinking can be anger. So let's see how is it working in us, right? Once Aristotle, the Greek philosopher, said, anyone can become angry. That is easy. But to be angry with the right person, to the right degree, at the right time, for the right purpose and in the right way, that is not easy. Rightly said, isn't it? Yes, my dears, that's really difficult. It's not easy. There are many things which is making us to get angry. So let us see what are those. Mainly, we have to understand about our ABCs of anger. What are they? A stands for antecedents or anger triggering point. It can be external factor and it can be internal factor as well. External factor means it can be any specific person. Say for example, your spouse, children, friends, co-workers, your officers making you angry. And the second thing is, it can be external factor itself. It can be an event. Okay, any external event. For example, traffic jam, which is making you angry, or any cancelled concert, meetings, functions, or somebody telling bad about you, and you came to know that. These things can also make you very angry. And what are the internal factors? Internal factors can be you're thinking about your personal problem. You're completely thinking about your personal problem repetitively. It can be that, or it can be internal factors. What we can say is any past experience, memories of your traumatic events where you didn't get the solution or the healing for that. Okay, you didn't address that problem and still it is one of the triggering points which is making you angry. So these are the two factors which can make you angry. These are the triggering points. That comes under A. And what is B? B is nothing but the behavior. How did you behave when you became angry? Okay, after this stimulus, how did you behave? How did you outburst your anger? That is B. And the C is nothing but the consequence. What happened as a result of controlling or not controlling your anger? If you understand these 3 points, what are the ABCs of anger? If you understand this very clearly, then definitely step by step we can work on your anger, and we can learn to manage the anger. Instead of controlling, we can manage the anger in a beautiful way. In next video, I'll come here again with the steps to manage the anger. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye-bye. See ya.